Hello friends, I'm coming with the new question number 9 of Pathfinder. So, firstly, I read the question. A model rocket fired from the ground ascends with the constant upward acceleration. Okay. A small bolt is dropped from the rocket 1 second after the firing, and fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds. Some informations are given. After the bolt is dropped, air time of the bolt is 2 seconds. Very nice line is given. And acceleration of free fall is which of the following statement is are correct. Number one statement is acceleration of the rocket while ascending on its fuel is 8 meter per second. Fuel of the rocket was finished at a height 100 meter above the ground. Maximum speed of the rocket during its upward flight is 40 meter. Total air time of the rocket is 50 seconds. So I want to draw the situation for better understanding. Let's assume, my dear friends, let's assume this is your rocket. This is a ground, and from the ground the rocket is going with the acceleration a in upward direction at t equal to 0. What is happening after 1 second? After the small bolt is dropped from 1 second. So after 1 second, something is covering. This is the distance a. One bolt, let's assume this is your bolt. One bolt is fall, and this is also moving with some velocity v. So if I am talking about the before detach, before detach the bolt from rocket, the speed of the rocket is v is equal to simply at, and t is given 1 second, so we can say that it is v is equal to a. Simple equation. Okay, initial velocity of the rocket and bolt both is 0. How much height is this traveling? So the height traveled by the rocket before bolt dropped or detached from rocket. Okay, so height h is equal to half of at square. So at square is nothing, it is equal to t is 1, so it is a by 2. We have our information about velocity and acceleration. Now in this question, a beautiful question is saying that the velocity, the total time, it is saying that fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds after the bolt. Air time of the bolt is 2 seconds. So air time means if I'm writing the journey of bolt, so this is a bolt, yeah, this is a bolt, and this is moving with the velocity v equal to a from the height of h equal to a by 2. So it is coming like this. So we are using, by using second equation of motion, by using second equation of motion for bolt, second equation of motion for bolt. Okay, so just taking upward direction is positive, downward direction is negative, and acceleration is acting g in downward. Okay, so we know the second equation is minus h is equal to vt minus half of gt square, and time of air time of given, it is given in this question, this is 2 seconds, so it is 2 seconds. I want to put the values minus a by 2, that is called a, velocity is a, and t is 2 seconds, minus g is 10 by 2 into 4. So that is called 2. And finally you can say that minus a by 2 is equal to 2a minus 20. So 2a plus a by 2 is equal to 20. So finally 5a by 2 is equal to 20. So acceleration of the rocket is 8 meter per second square. This is your answer. This is your first option. And it is given in this question. So we can say that acceleration of the rocket while ascending on its fuel is 8 meter per second. Now the question is saying that it is saying the fuel of the rocket is finished 4 seconds after the bolt. So how much time? So actually t equal to 1 second is here, and t is equal to, for this journey of this is here the fuel is finished, means acceleration is 0. So this time is 5 seconds. So simply we can say that the total time height covered by the height covered by a rocket before finish the fuel. Okay, so simply h is equal to half of a t square. So total time is 5 seconds. So we can write it is equal to the half 8 into 25. So that is called 4. So you can say that height is 100 meter above the ground. So the second answer is also correct. Now maximum speed. So here it is the maximum speed, because after this immediately the G is acting on. So maximum speed is, maximum speed is v is equal to at. So a is 8 and t is 5, so that is called 40 meter per second. So maximum speed is 40 meter per second. This is your also one of the answer. Okay, so A, B, C. Now what is the last option? Total air time of the rocket is 15 seconds. So let's say the entire journey, what is saying that, you know very well, this is the rocket. It is start from ground with an acceleration A. After 1 second, so this is covering some distance 4 meter, because A is this 8 meter per second square. So this is 4 meter. And here somewhere the fuel is finished, t equal to 5 second. And after finishing, this distance is from here to here is 100 meter. And this speed is v, which is 40 meter per second. So finally what is saying that the total air time, so from here to here it is comes like this. Okay, so simply if I am calculating the values, we can just put at which time, just apply the second equation of motion. I want to go. So second equation of motion is using second equation of motion. Okay, second equation of motion is saying that my upward direction is positive, downward direction is negative. So minus h, capital H minus capital H is equal to Vt minus half of Gt square. Put the value minus 100, 40t minus 5t square. So it is one quadratic will happen. It is t square minus 10t plus t square 5 8 20. So that is called t square and minus 8t minus 20 equal to 0. So if I am writing this equation, so it is simply t square minus 10t plus 2t minus 20 equal to 0. So t value is 10 seconds. So 10 seconds it will reach from here to ground. Okay. Now this time is also 5 seconds. So total air time is so from t equal to 0 to t equal to 5 this, and t equal to 5 to t equal to 10 is this. So total time is 5 plus 10, that is called 15 seconds. So the all given answers are correct. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.